Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Beer Below Zero Snapback Cup. We're gonna go to the market. We're just gonna go buy chop suey vegetables. Let's go. This is Allen Inn. If you want somewhere to stay that's near, stay here. Accommodation. This is also a family hostel. Family World. That's Family World Trans Hotel. So it's very near. So here we are again. We're going down here again. It's in the afternoon. It's like 5:21 in the afternoon. Sun is setting. So there's a lot of people again here in the market. Chapsay po ito, di ba? Hindi, yung ano lang, kalahati, yung parang 50, sige po. 50 pesos.
Sakto kaya? Sakto kaya? Utungan ka!
Okay, we got 50 pesos. 50 pesos. Chop suey vegetables. So we're here in the city market. There's a lot of people again. We'll go see some ukay-ukay. 40 pesos lang. $100, okay na to. $50 shorts. Women's shorts galing 50 only. 2 for 80. Okay na yan. So we're going up there again. I just bought this chop suey vegetables. So also the old buildings. So we're here again, we're going home. In the steepest climb. Oh, it's tiring. Thank you so much for watching. More blessings to all of us.